The only thing I hate more than strawberry flavored chocolate in this world is people who are slow. And I don't just mean it by their heads. I mean people who are literally slow. They don't have a sense of urgency. They move in a very, very slow and sloppy way, and they don't rush things. They don't have a sense of urgency, and that's a big problem. You see, speed is the only ability you should focus on building in your early 20s. Because time is the most valuable asset you have in this entire universe. Not your money, not your cash, not your gold. It's time. And if you're moving slow through life, that literally means that you're burning stacks of cash in front of your own eyes. And this is what Albert Einstein calls the time dilation from his theory of relativity. The faster you move, the slower the time passes for you compared to an object at rest. And the slower you move, the closer you are getting to being at rest. And a real life example of this is that one friend of yours who's always talking about his business idea, the entrepreneurship he's going to start, that one thing that's going to catapult him into success, but he never really starts. I have this one friend of mine who's a very, very good friend. He talked to me about this business idea like 4 or 5 months ago. He says, oh, I'm going to import this product from Japan and I'm going to sell it here in Europe, and I'm going to make tons of money on this because there's no one actually selling this kind of stuff. And I said, oh my god, this is a really great idea, I support you, whatever. Last week I went on for a coffee with him, and he talked to me about the same exact idea, and he had nothing done. Like, he honestly had done nothing about that idea. He had not purchased the product, he had not contacted the supplier, whatever. He was in the same exact place as he was 4 months ago. So that means that the speed that he was progressing in life was actually zero. He was stagnant. He was staying at rest in the same place. And the reason why he never took any action could be that he's too intelligent. That could happen to you as well, because you're always calculating, oh, if these things go wrong, what can I do? If I fail at this, what if the product comes here and they charge me too many taxes and I can't sell it, whatever. You're always planning so many alternatives in your head that you are just frozen in front of the problem and you take no action. And I don't consider myself someone who's too intelligent. Like, of course not. I consider myself someone who's very good at taking action, and that's something that you should prioritize in your 20s, like speeding up the process between having a thought and executing on it. In the same span of time, 4 to 5 months, I've already tried vintage organic reselling, building businesses like from content creation, selling digital products online. Like, I have tried like countless things, and I have seen that most of them have not worked for me, but I have already gotten the results. I have already gotten the no. Like, in that span of time, I've already said, okay, this does not work for me, so I'm not going to focus on this and I'm going to move on from that. But my friend has not even started that business. He doesn't even know if this is going to work or not. So imagine that he started that business like right now, 4 to 5 months thinking about it, and now he's just spent 1 month trying to build it up, whatever. Then he would have spent 6 months in this one project that he doesn't really know if he's gonna work or not. Like, does that make sense? You're spending all of this time into something that in reality, you don't know if it's gonna work or not. That's as if saying that you are spending 6 to 5 months talking to this one girl that you don't really know if she's interested or not. Like, you could have wasted 6 months of your life talking to this one person when in reality, they were not really interested in you. So what have you done? You have just basically wasted your time. You have wasted the most valuable resource that you have in this universe, which is your time and energy. There's this TikTok that I saw a couple of days ago, and it was hilarious to me. It says something like this: I'm glad I got my heart broken for the first time at a young age. Imagine dealing with your first heartbreak along with back pain and rent is due. No, thank you. The reason why you're not moving fast in life, the reason why you're not trying things and taking action is because you are scared to fail. You're scared to fail because you are afraid that you are not perfect. You're afraid that the first couple of businesses that you launch is not going to catapult you into success. And mind that I have not started any business that has been successful. Like, to be honest, I'm not making 10K. I'm not driving fucking supercars, but I'm taking the action. And that's something that I want you to do as well. I want you to move as fast as you can. If you have an idea, please implement it as fast as you can and bring it into life so that you get that idea out of your head and you stop ruminating on that thing on your mind for months and months and months, so that you end up with nothing in reality. You are always filling up your mind with ideas but not action in reality. What I should have done is to rush the process of creating more videos. Like, if I want to be a better YouTuber, what is the main activity that a YouTuber does? Filming and posting videos. Like, stop focusing on the little thing, on the minute ideas of, oh, if I create this process, I will be more effective. No, the most effective thing that you can do is create more content. If you want to be a YouTuber, the most important task, the main task that you should do is filming more videos. If you want to, I don't know, start reselling online, the main focus task that you should focus yourself on is to buying the stock, taking pictures and posting them. That's it. It's not finding the supplier, whatever. It's not finding the best descriptions. It's not like retouching your photo, your profile picture, whatever. No. None of that. It's the essential task that you should focus yourself on. And something that has helped me a lot with facing failure is to actually seek for failure. So let's say that you're a content creator who's just starting. What if I told you that your video number 25 is going to catapult you into success? It's going to get 1 million views. It's going to just blow up your channel. You're going to get tens of thousands of followers. What would you do? You rush the process from video number 0 to video number 25 as soon as possible. You will seek out those failures from video number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as soon as possible. You will get over them as soon as possible so that you reach number 25, right? That is the most intelligent thing that you can do. If I assured you that on number 25, you are going to succeed, you will just rush through all of those 0 to 24 videos as soon as possible. And that's the mindset that you need to have towards everything in life. Just achieve as many failures as you can, because the faster you achieve those failures, the more things that you will learn, and the faster you will just overcome those obstacles in your life. And the sooner you will achieve that one success, which is in your life, maybe it's achieving a great physique, maybe it's finally getting a girlfriend, maybe it's finding that one client who's going to make you more money in an entire month, whatever. Whatever it is, the thing that you want to accomplish, the sooner you get through those mistakes, those failures, the sooner you will achieve that end goal that you have in mind. Having the ability to speed up any process in life is the only ability you should focus on in your early 20s, because you're essentially just buying yourself time. The faster you move, the more time you have, and the more things you can try, and the better results you're going to get, because the faster you will find those things that you are failing at, the faster you will find those mistakes that you are just committing right now, and the sooner you'll be able to fix them, and the faster you will find your path to the success that you are looking for. So as always, stay patient, because your prophecy is unfolding. I love you. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.